Now, when it comes to survival, redundancy is your best friend. Having multiple backups ensures that you're never caught off guard. It's like having a safety net that you can rely on when things get tough. It's not about going overboard, it's about having that backup when you need it most. Think of it as a form of insurance, but for your peace of mind and safety. We'll be going over 10 essential prepping items you can never have too many of. These are the basics that will keep you covered in a variety of situations. The best part? These items are affordable and you can build up your supplies over time. Every little bit counts. You don't have to break the bank to be prepared. Remember, some of this gear is for everyday use, but in a real pinch it could be a lifesaver. It's all about being ready for whatever comes your way. We're talking about the difference between weathering the storm and, well, not weathering the storm. Preparation can be the key to staying safe and comfortable. So whether you're facing a natural disaster, an economic downturn, or just a simple power outage, having these items in abundance can make all the difference. Let's get to it. Stick around as we delve into each item and explain why it's crucial for your survival kit. Out in the wild, energy is everything. Whether you're hiking through dense forests or camping under the stars, having a reliable source of power can make all the difference. And guess what? It's the same in a crisis. First up, batteries. They are the unsung heroes in any emergency kit. AA, AAA, D9 volt, you name it, stockpile them. The more the better. They power your flashlights, radios, and other essential electronics. Imagine being in the dark without a flashlight or unable to communicate because your radio is dead. Next, consider a portable power station. These versatile devices are a game changer. These bad boys can juice up your phone, laptop, even small appliances. Perfect for keeping your essential gadgets running. Trust me, they're worth their weight in gold when the grid goes down. You'll be the hero of the household. And don't forget about the power of the sun. Solar energy is a fantastic backup. Solar chargers and portable solar panels are becoming increasingly affordable and efficient. They are a great investment for long-term energy solutions. Harnessing the sun's energy can provide you with a sustainable source of power when you need it most. Remember, redundancy is key. Always have a backup plan. Having multiple options for generating and storing energy will give you a crucial advantage when the unexpected happens. Be prepared, stay powered up, and you'll be ready for anything. Fire needs fuel, and so do we. Storing fuel safely and effectively is crucial for cooking, warmth, and even transportation in an emergency. Gasoline is a must-have, but it degrades over time. Use a fuel stabilizer and rotate your stock every few months to ensure it's fresh. Propane is another excellent option. It stores well and can power everything from stoves to lanterns. Keep a few extra tanks on hand. Don't underestimate the value of wood. A well-seasoned wood pile can provide warmth and a means to cook food if other options are unavailable. And for a more compact and versatile fuel source, consider alcohol. Denatured alcohol burns cleanly and can be used in various stoves and lanterns. You wouldn't believe how many times a bit of rope or tape has saved the day in the wild. These simple items are essential for repairs, securing shelters, and countless other uses. Paracord is a survivalist's best friend. It's strong, lightweight, and can be used for everything from building a shelter to fishing. Duct tape is another must-have. It can patch up tears, seal leaks, and even be used for first aid in a pinch. Don't forget about glues. Superglue, epoxy, and even good old-fashioned wood glue have their place in a well-stocked prepper's arsenal. And zip ties? Never underestimate the power of a zip tie. They're perfect for bundling items, making quick repairs, and securing your gear. In a crisis, traditional financial systems can crumble. That's why it's crucial to have alternative forms of currency on hand. Cash is king. Keep a stash of small denomination bills and coins in a safe place. You never know when you might need to make a purchase or barter for goods. Precious metals like silver and gold have been a store of value for centuries. Investing in these assets can provide a hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Consider purchasing silver coins or bars. They're relatively affordable and widely recognized as a form of currency. Gold is more expensive, but it offers greater long-term stability. Even a small amount of gold can be invaluable in a crisis. Fire provides warmth, light, and a means to cook food. It can also be a signal for help and a powerful psychological boost in a survival situation. Having multiple ways to start a fire is essential. Keep a stash of lighters and waterproof matches in your bug-out bag and at home. A ferrocerium rod, or ferro rod, is a reliable and durable fire starter that can create sparks even when wet. Consider learning primitive fire-starting methods like using a bow drill or hand drill. These skills can be invaluable in a long-term survival situation. Remember, practice makes perfect. Regularly practice your fire-starting skills to ensure you can get a blaze going when it matters most. When the sun goes down, having reliable light sources is crucial for navigation, communication, and maintaining a sense of normalcy. Flashlights are a must-have. Choose models with multiple brightness settings and long battery life. Headlamps are perfect for hands-free illumination, allowing you to work or move around safely in the dark. Oil lamps provide a warm, inviting glow and can be fueled with readily available oils like kerosene or lamp oil. Candles are another inexpensive and readily available light source. Stock up on candles of various sizes and burn times. Accidents happen, and being prepared to handle minor injuries and ailments can make all the difference in a crisis. A well-stocked first aid kit is essential. Make sure it includes a variety of bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and other essential medical supplies. Gauze pads and rolls are crucial for cleaning and dressing wounds. Stock up on different sizes for various injuries. Antiseptic wipes and solutions help prevent infection. Choose individually packaged wipes for convenience and portability. Pain relievers like ibuprofen or acetaminophen can help manage pain and reduce fever. And don't forget about any personal medications you or your family members require. Keep an extra supply on hand in case of emergencies. Being able to repair or improvise solutions to everyday problems is crucial in a survival situation. Having a basic set of tools can make a world of difference. A multi-tool is a compact and versatile option that combines several tools in one. Look for a model with a knife, pliers, screwdriver, and other essential functions. A hammer is essential for driving nails, prying, and other heavy-duty tasks. A saw is crucial for cutting wood, metal, and other materials. A folding saw is a compact and portable option. Screwdrivers are a must-have for repairs and assembly. Keep a set with various sizes and head types. Don't forget about essential hardware like nails, screws, bolts, and wire. These items can be invaluable for repairs and construction. Maintaining hygiene is essential for physical and mental well-being, especially in a crisis when sanitation systems may be compromised. Toilet paper is a basic necessity that we often take for granted. Stock up on enough to last your family for several weeks. Bar soap is a versatile and long-lasting option for hand washing and bathing. Choose antibacterial soap for added protection. Cleaning products like bleach, disinfectant wipes, and hand sanitizer are crucial for maintaining a clean and sanitary environment. Don't forget about feminine hygiene products, diapers, and other personal care items specific to your family's needs. 5-gallon buckets can be used for a variety of purposes, including water storage, sanitation, and even as a makeshift toilet. The most valuable tool you can have in any situation is knowledge. It empowers you to make informed decisions and take effective actions. Educating yourself and your family about preparedness, survival skills, and disaster response can mean the difference between life and death. It's not just about knowing what to do, but also understanding why it's important. Learn basic first aid and CPR. These are essential skills that can save lives in critical moments. These skills can be invaluable in an emergency. Knowing how to respond quickly and effectively can make all the difference. Familiarize yourself with common disaster scenarios in your area and develop a plan for what to do in each situation. Preparation is key to ensuring safety and resilience. Practice your survival skills regularly. Build a fire, set up a shelter, and ensure you know how to use your tools effectively. And practice using your gear. Familiarity with your equipment can save precious time in a crisis. Stay informed about current events and potential threats. Awareness is the first step in preparedness. Knowledge is power, and being aware of potential risks can help you prepare accordingly. Assessing risks allows you to take proactive measures. Share your knowledge with others. Community preparedness can enhance overall safety and resilience. Teach your family and friends about preparedness and encourage them to develop their own plans. Together, we can build a safer and more informed community. So there you have it, 10 essential prepping items you can never have too many of. Remember, being prepared isn't about living in fear, it's about taking control and ensuring you're ready for whatever life throws your way. It's about having that peace of mind, knowing you can handle yourself when things get tough. What do you think? Did I miss anything? Let me know in the comments below what essential items you stockpile. And hey, if you want even more tips on affordable prepping, check out my next video where I share 20 more cheap items to stockpile and barter with. Until next time, stay prepared, stay strong, and I'll see you out in the wild.